In the early days, Christianity began as a small faith among the followers of Jesus in the Roman Empire. They shared his message of love, hope, and forgiveness with others. At first, Christians met in secret because their beliefs were not accepted. Many were poor or simple people who found comfort in the promise of eternal life and peace. The Roman authorities feared this new religion because it refused to worship their gods or the emperor. Some Christians were punished or killed, but their faith continued to grow. Despite danger, believers kept teaching and helping the sick and the poor. Their kindness impressed many people, who began to join the Christian community and follow its peaceful way. Over time, Christianity spread through cities and villages across the empire. Travelers, merchants, and soldiers carried the message to new lands and shared stories of Jesus. Missionaries played a big role in spreading the faith. They traveled far, learning local languages and customs, to explain Christian ideas clearly to different groups of people. In the 4th century, Emperor Constantine changed history by accepting Christianity. He made it legal and supported churches, ending years of persecution and fear for millions of believers. Constantine's decision gave Christianity a new strength and respect in society. Churches were built in major cities, and priests began to organize worship in a more formal way. Soon, Christianity became the official religion of the Roman Empire. This helped it reach every corner of Europe, from Italy to Britain, and even parts of Africa. The Bible was translated into Latin, making it easier for people to read. Monks copied texts by hand, preserving the words of faith and spreading them through schools and monasteries. Monasteries became centers of learning and culture during the Middle Ages. They taught reading, writing, and prayer, and kept ancient knowledge alive for future generations. Christianity shaped art, music, and thought. Painters created scenes from the Bible, and composers wrote hymns for worship. Faith became part of daily life for kings and common people alike. The church grew powerful and rich, owning land and guiding rulers. Popes and bishops influenced politics, and religion became deeply connected to government and law. Pilgrimages became popular among believers. People traveled to holy places to pray, seek healing, or show devotion. These journeys helped unite Christians from different regions and cultures. In Western Europe, cathedrals rose high above towns as symbols of faith. Their towers and stained glass windows told stories of saints and miracles to those who could not read. Education was often linked to religion. Church schools taught children to read the Bible and understand moral lessons. Faith guided learning and shaped how people saw the world. During the Middle Ages, missionaries continued to travel north and west. They brought Christianity to Ireland, Scotland, and Scandinavia, teaching new converts about Jesus Christ. Kings sometimes accepted Christianity to unite their people under one faith. They built churches and supported priests, making religion part of national identity and daily life in their kingdoms. The church also faced challenges. Some leaders became corrupt or greedy, and ordinary believers began to question how true faith should be practiced and shared among all people. In the 15th century, printing began to change everything. Books became cheaper, and the Bible could reach more homes. People started reading it. Soon came the Reformation, led by figures like Martin Luther in Germany. He wanted to reform the church, criticizing its wealth and power, and calling for a return to faith. The Reformation divided Christianity into different branches and traditions. Protestants and Catholics developed distinct ways of worship and belief, each shaping Western culture deeply. Wars and conflicts followed these changes, but faith continued to inspire art, philosophy, and social progress. Even in hard times, Christianity remained a central part of Western life. Missionaries crossed oceans to spread Christianity to the Americas and beyond. They built schools and hospitals, teaching both religion and knowledge to new communities around the world. In the 17th and 18th centuries, Christianity influenced science and reason. Some thinkers tried to balance faith with discovery, seeing God's hand in the laws of nature. Churches became places of charity and social care. They helped the poor, educated children, and supported families, making religion not only spiritual, but also practical and kind. In the 19th century, Christianity continued to grow through missions abroad. It reached Africa, Asia, and Oceania, bringing Western ideas and culture, along with its message of salvation. At the same time, new movements arose within Christianity itself. Some focused on personal faith and prayer, others on helping society through justice and compassion. Industrialization changed life in Europe, and churches adapted to new realities. They spoke about workers' rights, poverty, and moral values in cities full of factories and change. Christianity also inspired art again. Writers and painters explored themes of hope, forgiveness, and redemption. Faith continued to guide creativity. In the 20th century, wars tested the strength of Christian values. Many believers worked for peace, helping victims and rebuilding lives after great suffering and loss. The church became more global, connecting believers from every continent. Different cultures brought new music, art, and traditions to worship, making Christianity more diverse. Modern times brought new questions about science, equality, and freedom. Christians learned to discuss and adapt, finding ways to keep faith alive in a changing world. Some people left religion behind, but many still found meaning in prayer. Churches opened their doors to all, offering comfort, community, and hope to those seeking peace of mind. Christianity influenced Western values, like human rights and compassion. Its teachings about love and forgiveness shaped laws, ethics, and social care through centuries of development. Today, Christianity remains widespread in Europe and the Americas. It continues to evolve with time, mixing tradition and modern thought in daily life and culture. Churches now use technology to connect with believers around the world. Online sermons and digital prayers help people share faith and kindness across borders and languages. Christianity's message of love and hope still speaks to millions of hearts. It reminds people to care for others and to seek peace and understanding in their communities. Through centuries of change and challenge, Christianity has shaped Western history. Its influence can be seen in art, education, and the moral values that guide modern societies. From small beginnings in ancient times to a global faith today, Christianity has traveled far and touched many lives. Its story continues to inspire people to believe, to learn, and to love.